The Deputy Senate President said the result declared by INEC was a ruse that cannot stand the test of litigation. He said that all the manipulations carried out by the PDP in collaboration with some staff of INEC have been exposed and will be used as exhibits in the court of law.
I am determined to fight it all the way, and we are confident that we prevail because we know we won. I know that even with all that they did, we still have more than enough to be declared governor.
On the visitation made to him by his constituents from Ndokwa over facilities of the Federal University of Medical and Health Science in Kwale Community, Omo-Agege said President Muhammadu Buhari and the Minister of Education, Adamu Adamu, should be thanked for their approval. He added that he made the facilitation without any consultation or collaboration with anybody in Delta State.
I met more than the constitutional requirement, for emergency, as a governor. All three LGAs, Minister of Education, Adamu Adamu, I can't thank him enough. I can never thank him enough. He's been a very, very good friend, a straight shooter. He stands by you, he stands by you.
Recall that the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) had in the election conducted on March 18, 2023 declared Oborevwori of the PDP as winner with 360,223 votes, which was 120,000 votes above the 240,229 votes purportedly scored by Omo-Agege in the elections. Chuka Ohai, ITV News.